Good day everyone. I am John Paul Michael. I am a third year base IT at Ritas College of Palingasag. And now I will show you or demo how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. But before we proceed, we will check first the important thing before installing Ubuntu. So let's go to Task Manager and Performance. Go to CPU and then check this, the virtualization. The virtualization should be enabled and not disabled. So you can try to search it on Google on how to enable the virtualization in CPU. Because if this is disabled or not enabled, you cannot run Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. You can proceed, but it will be aborted while you install it. So that's that. And now let's proceed to installing Ubuntu. Let's click new and I will name it Ubuntu VirtualBox. So we will just use this, the default, and we will select the other and we will use the Ubuntu ISO file. Just open this. Next is this. This is important, guys. This is important because you can use this when opening the Ubuntu later. You can put anything on it, your name or nickname. So mine is, let's just put John Paul, and the password is, let's just simplify it. I can just put admin. So that's all, guys. And let's click this and let's proceed below let's specify the virtual hardware. So let's put it the 496. So this is my base memory. So as you know, base memory is your RAM, guys. And then the number of CPU will choose, I think let's just use 3. And then the specify virtual hard disk. So in this, guys, you don't need to update or edit anything. This is good. So let's just finish it. So let's wait until the application will open. So and see. Now it opens. Um, just click that. Let's maximize it. So in this phase, guys, it's more on waiting because Ubuntu is copying the file. Fuck, error. The fuck is this? More load, other more. Let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait. In this phase, it will be more waiting. So you need a lot of patience when installing the Ubuntu because this will take a while. So Now, this is the Ubuntu, but now uh, it will be installing, preparing Ubuntu. Prepare to install. You can either skip this part, guys, or just speed it up. This installation is just like the other just like the other OS when you install them. It may take a while because it will depends on the installation will depends on the specs of your computer or the yeah computer or laptop. Let's just wait because it's preparing the Ubuntu. So as you can see, guys, it's loading, and you can as you can see, there's a small like command prompt in here. You can click this, and yeah, as you can see, it's processing and it's copying the files or installing the files. Let's just wait, guys, because this will take a while, maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends on the specs of your computer. So you can skip this part if you want. So now, guys, the installation is done. So we will just log in as the account that we created. So there's the name is John Paul, and the password is the input admin, and let's just click I enter, and let's just wait. So now the Ubuntu is installed. This is the UI of Ubuntu. Let's just next this, escape, next, next, I know, next, finish. So this is the Ubuntu application that we installed. But and next is we will open the terminal. Just press Ctrl Alt P. So as you can see, we open the Ubuntu terminal, and let's just do commands like sudo app update, and input the password admin. So let's just wait, guys, because this will update the Ubuntu. So so after this, next is we will need to upgrade it. Sudo apt upgrade y. Now let's just wait again until it's fully done. Let's wait this until it's done. It's this will take a while. So now it's upgraded, and now let's prompt a command, sample command only, if it's working. Now let's try ls. So ls will list the files in the current folder, and ls ls dash l is it shows the detailed details of size, honor, and like date. And let's see if I can create a folder. Daycare. I mean mk there. What's the name of the folder? Let's say John. And let's try to open. So as you can see, I added a folder named Jan. So I think it works now. So that's how you install the Ubuntu application. Ubuntu in Ubuntu in VirtualBox. That's all. Thank you.